Ever wonder how all these IRS forms actually connect for gig workers? If you drive for Uber, deliver with DoorDash, or make money online, you've probably seen 1099s, Schedule C, maybe even something called Schedule SE. In this video, I'll show you how everything links back to Form 1040, so you finally see what's happening behind the scenes. Form 1040 is the main return. Behind it are schedules that feed into it, each carrying income, deductions, credits, and taxes. Once you see the flow, you can catch mistakes early, track deductions correctly, and avoid IRS surprises. These are the most common forms gig workers deal with: 1040, Schedules 1, 2, and 3, Schedule C, Schedule SE, plus 4562, 8829, 8995, and 1040 ES. Now let's break down how gig income moves through your tax return. Form 1040 is the centerpiece. Every major schedule eventually connects back to it. Schedule 1 adds extra income and adjustments flowing into line 8. Schedule 2 adds extra taxes flowing into line 23. Schedule 3 adds credits and payments flowing into lines 31 and 33. Schedule 1 reports additional income and adjustments. Think of it as the middleman for income that doesn't come from a W-2, like freelance work, side gigs, or unemployment. Part 1 of Schedule 1 adds income, such as business income, rental income, or unemployment. The total from line 10 of Schedule 1 flows to Form 1040, line 8, other income. Part 2 lists adjustments, like the self-employment health insurance deduction or IRA contributions. The total from line 26 of Schedule 1 flows to Form 1040, line 10, adjustments to income. Schedule C reports your business income and expenses. You calculate your net profit or loss on line 31 of Schedule C. That number flows directly into Schedule 1, line 3, and from there to Form 1040, line 8. If you use depreciation or claim large equipment deductions, that's where Form 4562 comes in. Form 4562 supports Schedule C by calculating depreciation on business assets or Section 179 expensing. Its total depreciation amount flows into Schedule C, line 13, depreciation and Section 179 expense. If you use a home office, Form 8829 helps you calculate that deduction. The total deduction from Form 8829 flows into Schedule C, line 30, business use of your home. For many small business owners, the qualified business income deduction applies. That's calculated on Form 8995 or 8995A, and the result flows into Form 1040, line 13. Schedule SE calculates self-employment tax, basically your Social Security and Medicare tax as a business owner. The total from Schedule SE, line 12, flows into Schedule 2, line 4. Then the total from Schedule 2, line 21, moves into Form 1040, line 23. Schedule 3 is where your credits and payments appear. Part 1 lists non-refundable credits, like the education credit or dependent care credit. These reduce tax before payment. The total from Schedule 3, line 8, flows into Form 1040, line 20. Part 2 of this schedule lists refundable credits, like the American Opportunity Credit or Premium Tax Credit. The total from Schedule 3, line 15, flows into Form 1040, line 31, and then line 33, total payments. And here's something many people miss. Half of your self-employment tax is deductible on Schedule 1, line 15. So while one part increases your tax, the other part reduces your taxable income. Now here's a diagram I made in Canva showing how it all connects, using my color coding to make it easier to visualize. Green is for income, blue is for deductions, red is for taxes, gray for the main Form 1040, and orange for the final outcome. The green boxes represent income and business forms. That's where everything starts. They include Form 4562 and Form 8829, which both feed into Schedule C, then move through Schedule 1, and finally reach Form 1040. The blue boxes cover deductions and credits, forms like 8995 for the qualified business income deduction, and Schedule 3, which handles credits and payments. The red boxes focus on taxes, showing the flow of self-employment tax from Schedule SE into Schedule 2, and then into Form 1040. The gray box in the center is your main Form 1040, where everything comes together income, deductions, taxes, and payments. And the orange box at the bottom represents your final result. That's total tax minus total payments, which determines your refund or balance due. Now you can see how all these forms and all types of gig income connect behind the scenes. Whether you drive, deliver, create, or sell online, it all flows through the same system. Your income starts on a 1099, moves through Schedule C and Schedule 1, and ends up on your Form 1040. Once you understand this, you'll never look at your tax forms the same way again. You'll catch mistakes early, understand where each number comes from, and take control of your business finances with confidence.